Viewers, while some Congress MLAs are in various resorts in Rajasthan, in adjoining Punjab, the party has been dealt a massive blow. A number of leaders, including 3 former ministers of the erstwhile Congress government in Punjab, are to join the BJP today. That is the breaking update that we have right now. These leaders are, and I name them, Gurpreet Singh Kangar, Balbir Singh Sidhu, Raj Kumar Varka as well, a very senior leader, and also Sundar Sham Arora, as well as former MLA Keval Singh Dhillon. We have Amandeep joining us, and we also know that Amit Shah will be in Punjab today, and so I hand it over now to Amandeep. Amandeep, tell us more. A big blow to the Congress party. What is expected today?
Absolutely, a major setback to the Congress party today, as during the visit of Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, in Chandigarh and meeting Punjab BJP leaders, and in fact 4 ministers including Balbir Singh Sidhu, former Health Minister, Sundar Sham Arora, former Industry Minister, Gurpreet Singh Kangar, former Mining Minister, Raj Kumar Varka and ex-MLA Keval Singh Dhillon. They all are the senior leaders of the party, and in fact they were the staunch stalwart of the Congress party. But all of a sudden, after witnessing the situation in Congress party, they came in touch with Sunil Jakhar when Sunil Jakhar joined BJP, and in fact they expressed their disappointment from the Congress party, and with the suggestion and the discussion with Sunil Jakhar, and they all decided to join BJP today in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. A major setback is here, and in fact this is the biggest dent for the Congress party in Punjab after losing 2022 elections, and even after getting a new PPCC President Raja Vading, he is not able to hold these leaders who are
Amandeep, just stay with us. We're coming back to you. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, BJP leader, is on the phone. Sirsa sir, ये हम क्या देख रहे हैं? Is this the complete disintegration of the Congress party? A number of very senior leaders are now joining the BJP, that is your party.
डेफिनेटली कांग्रेस तो एक डूबता जहाज है, और जिन लोगों ने मेहनत करके पब्लिक में अपनी एक इमेज बनाई होती, काम करके, लोगों में सेवा करके लोगों का दिल जीता होता है, जब उनको लगता है कि पार्टी लीडरशिप का उनका नुकसान हो रहा है, तो उनको लगता है कि अब यहाँ रहने का कोई औचित्य नहीं बचा। कैलिबर का जहाँ पैदा नहीं हो रहा, जहाँ पे किसी का जो उसके पास अपना गुण है उसका सही यूजेज नहीं हो रहा है, या उसकी सही प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं है, तो उसको लगता है कि मैं तो समाज के लिए काम करना चाहता हूँ, या लीडरशिप तो डेड है, ये तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रही। तो इसलिए एक एनर्जेटिक लीडरशिप जो है आज श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अगुवाई में जो देश के अंदर बदलाव आ रहा है, ये बदलाव बहुत बड़ा है। अभी आप देखेंगे, ये अभी इससे भी बहुत बड़ा बदलाव दिखेगा आपको बहुत जल्दी।
सिरसा सर, एक और क्वेश्चन। अभी हमने जो देखा था पंजाब इलेक्शंस के टाइम पे, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे चन्नी जी, also Navjot Singh Sidhu, who was the head of the Punjab Congress, he is currently in jail. Number of leaders have now joined the BJP. Is the Congress even there in Punjab anymore? Is the Congress even there in Punjab anymore, sir?
The Congress will be no more in Punjab. अगर एक ही पार्टी होगी तो है श्रोमणी अकाली।
Right. So there you have Manjinder Singh Sirsa proclaiming the end of the Congress party in Punjab, and this is really very big news because the leaders that are set to join the BJP today from the Congress have been ministers as recently as 3 or 4 months ago. Amandeep is still with us. Amandeep, if you will just take us through the list of the leaders who are joining the BJP to give the audience a sense of perspective on how senior it is that they are.
Well, exactly, Ankit. One by one, I will reveal the details of the former ministers who are joining the BJP today itself. Balbir Sidhu, the most senior Congress leader and in fact former health minister. He was the one who has dropped down in the ministry cabinet of Charanjit Singh Channi when he turned to be the chief minister after Captain Amrinder Singh. He was the one minister who was dropped from the cabinet of Charanjit Singh Channi. Number 2, Gurpreet Singh Kangar. Kangar was another minister who was dropped from the cabinet of Charanjit Singh Channi, and in fact they expressed, when their names were dropped from the cabinet, they expressed their disappointment and they raised the question and kindly and even written to the Sonia Gandhi as well to reveal the reason why they have removed from the cabinet. And in fact, is there any specific reason, or it was just a political move? They held the press conference also. Ankit, we remember at that day we raised several questions and their disappointment, they cried in front of the camera as well. These both ministers and their disappointment Now with the Congress party escalating day by day and resulting that both are joining BJP. Third minister, industry minister, former industry minister Sundar Sham Arora, he was a very close associate of Captain Amarinder Singh. When Captain left Congress party, he constituted his own party, Punjab Lok Congress. Captain had several conversations with Sham Sundar Arora, but Sham Sundar Arora decided to contest from the Congress party for 2022 elections. But now, when his disappointment and when this entire Congress party is just collapsing in the Punjab, so Sham Sundar Arora decided to switch the ship from Congress to BJP following his disappointments, just because he claims that Congress party is not listening to their staunch stalwarts who have spent years in the Congress and who have actually started from the scratch to raise the Congress party in Punjab. And third, Rajkumar Vedka, the most popular face of Punjab Congress, who always remain active on certain kind of issues, who always support Congress on certain issues, either it is related to the Punjab or it is related to the nationwide issue. He always speak in front of the camera for the Congress party with a defense. But now he also turned to be a leader who is now joining BJP.
Right.
Keval Singh Dhillon, who was an ex-MLA and in fact who also contested the Lok Sabha election, last Lok Sabha election also. He was from Barnala. He is the one personality who is in the Congress party since years, who has contributed for the Congress party a lot. But Congress did not acknowledge the importance and the contribution of these leaders.
Right.
And today the result is, Ankit, the major setback to the Congress party, that all the leaders are joining BJP in the presence of Union Minister Amit Shah. Yes.
Fantastic analysis and background there by Amandeep from Chandigarh, and he will be reporting all day as Amit Shah visits Punjab. I thank Amandeep and also thank Manjinder Singh Sisa for joining us on this.